Hello, friends. How is everybody doing? So, today I'm thinking about mastering the mundane. Mundane meaning taking mastery of your little day to day things. They seem insignificant, but they are a telltale sign of where you're going to end up. So, what will the mundane be? The time you wake up in the morning, how you take care of yourself, what you eat, what's your morning routine, your night routine, your group of friends, where you hang out, how you interact with social media. Do you have too much of social media always? How much negative energy are you bringing in at a given time? How are you always lingering around only negativity and you can't find those positive moments? So the idea of this video is to remind you to take mastery of yourself and of the things that seem mundane day to day. Most people won't realize that you're doing that, but with time, your results will show that you have mastered something. You have mastery of yourself. Your life seems to be enriched and vibrant and fruitful, and yet it all starts from the mundane. So mastery is the way to go. Talk to you soon. Bye.